The false authority fallacy is a fallacy that occurs when a person making an argument doesn't have the qualifications to be credible. So this could happen if we are just making arguments without any type of backing, or if we are using the perceived authority of another person to try and make our argument seem more credible. If the person is perceived as credible because they're respected or admired, then it doesn't necessarily make them an authority on the subject. For example, advertisements use this type of false authority all the time. In the picture on the screen, you see Beyoncé with a cart full of Pepsi. Now, Beyoncé isn't an expert in soda or in soft drinks or anything along those lines, and yet she is seen as a quote-unquote authority figure on this subject, when she doesn't really have the qualifications to be credible. We see advertisements using celebrity endorsements all the time, and these endorsements are usually instances of false authority.